Turbo sis. Boss M, sana ma-follow mo si JLO, si Arlie, ayan. Marcid, ayan, hello. Thank you so much for coming in. Ito ba? Anong lasa nito? Nak,
What?
tilawan na nato ni. Let's try
Sure.
this.
It's a peanut inside a peanut.
Ha?
It's a chocolate. Outside it's a chocolate, but inside it's a peanut.
Aka ng kakao na di ka ni? Asa
Look
man
at the
ka ba?
picture.
Ha?
Look at the picture.
Look at the picture daw ko ni. Alam ni Max yung mga ganito. Sa kaka, ala! Parang bola.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Ala guys,
All the
parang
fun,
bola.
Mr. Animal One has something to say.
Tarong na, ano kuan. Saan siya nga kuan?
It's a peanut.
Sige daw, open daw.
So hard.
Hala, gahi kayo.
It's a knife.
Ikaw daw, Pounce, tilaway daw. Ito lasa.
Ito ang mani.
Kau na daw. Tilaway ba?
Saan mo pa?
Ito yung laman.
It's a peanut. Oh, it's a peanut.
It's a peanut ang lasa.
Yeah. This is a peanut and this is the chocolate.
Oh, chocolate ni? Macau ni?
May pambukas daw.
Asa? Nong ni Max. Ay, pambukas. Ano pambukas pa?
Ano dyan? May pambukas daw, sinusuot sa gitna. Magkadamya yan sis, pambukas yan, sinusuot sa gitna.
I don't like it.
Lain? Lamig manggod. Di lang ka nasanay.
Okay.
Peanut manggod gapon.
There's like milk inside of a tree.
Hmm?
There's like a milk inside of a tree.
Kani sa dili mo siya makaon.
Dami man,
Yung sa chocolate daw ni.
muraog pan.
Dili siya makaon kani.
Muraog ka ng... Sana, talisay.
Oh, that thing is from this thing.
Asa yung
Ay,
gingon?
pambukas daw.
Asa yung gingon nga? Nasa loob. Nasa loob ang pambukas.
I think it's this one.
Asa?
K inside, twist to open. Oh, this one. It's a key inside. Twist to open. Where's the twist? I think it's at the bottom.
Kuwadog ka ng yahong.
Bowl. Yeah.
Okay?
Can I pour it?
Wait
Can I
lang.
pour it?
Wait lang, kay i-hold sa ni.